welcome to my channel. Today you will be seeing my studio tour. I have been waiting for so long for this moment. I cannot even tell you. It has been a long journey to have a whole room dedicated to all my art supplies, and finally it has come. So, of course, I had to share that experience with you guys. So I really hope that you guys enjoy it and continue to watch. And, yeah. Let's start. Okay, so this is the studio right now. Before it was just literally piles of all of my art supplies and everything. I just wanted to show you guys this part just to see. This is honestly the beginning. There's not really any furniture in here except for like these two things and like that trunk. But so all that I've done so far is just I've organized it, and I made like these little dividers. You see, they're like taped to the top of this, but I made those dividers for it so that it would be able to like hold it down, like all of these stuff, like all my artwork could be there. And then I have this side, which is just like all of my like boxes and kits and books and stuff. And then I just have all my office supplies and paintbrushes and like things like that, and decorations are right here. More supplies. Basically, I just got organized, and yes, it is snowing right now. It looks really, really pretty out. It's not snowing at the moment. It snowed last night. But yeah, so that's all that I have so far, is just all of this kind of stuff. Please excuse the floor. I know it's disgusting. I have to get a new carpet in here. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for now. I just have a bunch of my art supplies and everything. Really? Really? But yeah, so I just have a bunch of my art supplies organized, trying to get it done. Excuse the cat litter box. And that's pretty much it. This is actually a piece of work that my art teacher in high school did, and when she was in college, and she gave it to me when I graduated. She's awesome. Hey, there's a lighter in there. Just that way. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you. All right, and ta-da! It looks so beautiful. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so to get started with the new room tour, let's get to it. All right, so up here I have some books of mine and some journals and stuff. Then just decoration, that's me and my fiance. This is more just storage and stuff. Color pencils and charcoal, paint, rubber bands, paint, markers, glue sticks, paintbrushes, markers, color pencils, yeah. And then down here I have like wood burning and wood carving stuff. This cute thing, and that I did. And then and right here I just have some acrylic paint. Sorry about the lights. It is just an awful lighting right now. But yeah, it's just acrylic and watercolor paint. Down here I have some tools. It's like a screwdriver. It's really not much at all. Paper towels, important files, dun dun dun. And then up here, oh, look how pretty that is. I'm very proud of myself. Over here, I have some awesome pretty little things. And then I have some office supplies here, white out, because your girl messes up a lot, and Neutrogena, because Neutrogena. And then in here, my phone case, calculators, more office supplies, business cards. What else? Just markers and stuff. Down here, I've got just makeup, my mirror for whenever I am doing like face shots and stuff. This is like a cutter thing, lotion. And then right here I have like, it's gonna be for whenever I'm using my sewing machine. So yeah, that's what that is. It's a little ironing board though, but really I'm gonna be using it mostly for when I'm using. And then over here I have just more art supplies, honestly. It's just tons of art supplies. Palettes, color pencils, that's all, like Play-Doh and markers for when my niece comes over, and like oil pastels and all that good stuff. This is just random stuff. My camera bag, my candles, like loofahs, scrub stuff, like things that don't even belong here. And then, right here, ignore the cat box. Imagine that it isn't even there. Right here, we have, oh, it'll be okay. I'm gonna have to find something else to fix it. But right here, I just have some of my books and everything, and it's pretty cool. It's the same setup that it was before. I just added on this pretty centerpieces and everything, so it looks really nice. And then I have just random storage. That's my bags and stuff back there. I am not a student of the Art Institute of Charlotte, actually. That was just a gift. Someone that went to the Art Institute gave that to me because they no longer needed it, and I am an art student, so I do need it. And then some clay supplies, a guitar that I'm working on, my chair that has lost its beauty, it seems. Woohoo! And then over here, I just have some pretty books, and like this is my sketchbook that I got from New York. This is an awesome book that I'm working on, I mean. And then this is just like one of those catalog things that schools give you. Then in here I just have wire tools, sandpaper, tape and glue, fabric for when I'm sewing, and then sewing supplies. Over here I have my pretty tripod. It's not much. And then right here I just have like this awesome little family thing. Oh, the light is so blocking it. I don't know how to, there we go. Maybe we can get it going. Get some of this, block it out. There we go. So it's just some really pretty photographs that I've taken and my family's taken. Sorry for the glare. But yeah, that's me, all that, you know, that's my backyard. And then right here, I just have like my printer stuff and my printing supplies, like photo paper, copy paper, all that good stuff. And that's just a trunk full of like personal items and like kids stuff and things like my like childhood stuff is in there, you know. And then over here is just a pretty easel. I don't even think I have any art supplies in it right now because I'm using all of my oil supplies at school. And then that is pretty much it. Yeah, right here I'm just having my more school supplies sketchbook, and that's like my art history textbook right there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.